Right, very good traders. As you know, I am off now for Christmas, but I am, of course, going to cherry pick some setups if there are some worth shouting about and share them with you. I mean, this was a good one. The gap that we had on both the DAX and the Dow, everything just went really lovely to the upside. So it gave us a potential to short it back down. I did focus my attention on those two because it had a good setup. There was a good 764 strategy set up on both. And if we just take a look at the Dow, for example, this is where I made the bulk of the money back to 36k, which had a gap fill down at 35,991. So was targeting that. And I did actually do a video on it in the group. And what else did we share? Oh, initially this morning at 9 a.m. London, there was short down to this morning. Really nice gap up, as you see there. There's the gap. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's the gap. Also with divergence as well. So you have the fib extended levels. You know that it's going to come back down to previous structure. So a really simple bit of price action. And highlighting those extended levels again, just to show you that we were looking for back down to just below, dipping below 36k to fill the gap. So it just made for a really nice move. So we had the first wave down, the first leg down, then we see a 764 retracement of this range, which is an Elliott wave 1, there's 2, and then 3 taking it down, looking for those fib extensions to the downside and the gap fill and a retest of the 764. So there's that retracement up. So on that retracement up, on both, this is the DAX, and as I say, on the Dow as well, it was highlighted in the video. Both setups, you see it testing beautifully, and that's when we got in, just shorted it, short. So really nice, painless work. Stops entry, running risk free on both of those. And actually the DAX went up and tested, so too did the Dow, went up and tested both the stops, but taking some money off, moved stops to break even, went up and tested both the stops, missed the stops by I don't know, about 1 or 2 pips, few pips, and then dropped again. So got in again and just loaded up, rinse and repeat kind of price action, and just took it down. And this time it all dropped nicely, bang, hitting 36k. And there's the gap fill. That was the play. So you see it go down. Wave 1, wave 2. There's your wave 3 fib extended move, looking for back down. So many reasons for it to come down to 36k, including 36k. Pretty much a no-brainer. So I loaded up and made sure I made the most of that. So it was well worth it. Even took some extra on the side, on the other. Extra accounts, spare accounts that use. Anyway, there you go. It's just a recap. All good, all shared, all logged, all reported, all updated via the Telegram channel, step by step. It's nothing different to what we do. So if you want to learn how we do it and share, understand how I'm sharing my work, mostly always for free. Come and get involved, and happy to share, happy to break it down for you. It's just the process. I'm actually giving you a process. So when we talk about trust the process, I'm giving you a process to actually believe in and trust and in effect monetize. So hope this helps. Rinse and repeat every day, all day, same setup, same process, same thing. Hope that helps.